If Facebook feels too bright at night and strains your eyes, dark mode is the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook on your iPhone in just a few seconds and make using the app more comfortable and modern. Follow the steps and activate dark mode right away. First, find and open the Facebook app. Once you're inside, in the top left corner of the screen, you will see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. In the menu, find the section called Settings and Privacy and tap on it. Then find Settings and tap on it. When you're on the Settings page, you will see many options. Scroll down and, under the Preferences section, find Accessibility and tap on it. In that section, you will see the Display option. Tap on it. Then tap on Dark Mode. Finally, tap on to enable it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel Smart Assistant, and turn on the notification bell so you're always updated when I post new tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you very soon.